Hi everyone, it's been a while, but I just wanted to present you my latest Figma plugin called Annotations Buster. So what does this do? Let me just give you a little example. It's not going to be a realistic one because I don't really have a mock-up that's not under NDA where I could show you how this works. But let's imagine that now that we have annotations always visible in Figma editor mode and also dev mode, you might need to show your stakeholders your designs, and you don't want to show your designs full of annotations, right? And it's also probably a lot of to ask your stakeholders to learn how to hide and show annotations, especially if they're more than four or five. It gets out of hand very soon. So what you could do is you could create a separate endover or demo page or file, and then you can copy your designs to that. Then what you would need to do is delete every annotation manually, and that's what Annotations Buster does. So let's do Command P, Annotations Buster. It should be in the plugins. You should be able to find it quickly, and it's a very easy to catch icon with the yellow. So you run Annotations Buster, and just gonna do its thing, and boom, every annotation is gone. So it doesn't matter if you have one, it doesn't matter if you have two. If you have 1,000, it will take a while, but it will just remove them for you. And then you can just come to the version history. It actually saves a little restored version, so you can just restore this version. You won't see the annotation sometimes after you restore it, but then when you get out of this show version history, it will just work. And that's pretty much that. Like, have fun with it. Let me know if it breaks somehow, if there's a bug or something like that. Give you as much context as possible. Just find the link to the plugin on the description of the video. And that's pretty much that. See you later.